channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add the psychedelic light effects to your clips on the CapCut PC. So the effects is on the CapCut Pro, and if you want to use it, so you need to subscribe or join the CapCut Pro first. Okay, so the psychedelic light effects is under the body effects. So I'm going to just go to effects and go straight to the body effects. Okay, so in here, just click on the drop down and click on the hallucinations category. And under here, you'll find the psychedelic light effect, this one. Click on the arrow first to download the effects. Then click on the plus icon to apply it. So in here, I'm going to adjust it for the entire clips. Then you can just adjust the atmosphere, the blur, color, twist, size, and the other setting. Okay, so the effects will go like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.